Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with us. Today, we talk about something very important: self-improvement. Becoming a better version of yourself. Slowly, calmly, step by step.
Big topic today. Very powerful topic. Also, a little scary sometimes, because improvement means change.
Many people want a better life. More confidence, better English, better habits, better mindset. But many people wait too long to start.
They say, I will start tomorrow. Then tomorrow says, maybe next week.
Yes, very true. But self-improvement starts with one small step, one decision, one action. Self-improvement is not about becoming perfect. Nobody is perfect. Self-improvement means growing, learning, becoming stronger inside.
Like building yourself slowly, one habit at a time, one day at a time.
Let's begin with the most important rule: start small. Many people fail because they try too much too fast. Big goals can feel heavy. Small goals feel possible.
Some people say, I will study English 10 hours every day. Then after 2 days, they disappear.
Yes, that happens a lot. Small progress is powerful. Even 10 minutes matters. Consistency changes lives. Say this with me: small steps create big change. Again, small steps create big change.
Good. Strong sentence.
Self-improvement is built through habits. Habits shape your future. Good habits help you grow. Bad habits slow you down.
Habits are like tiny daily choices. Small actions, repeated many times.
Reading every day is a habit. Practicing English every day is a habit. Sleeping early can be a habit. Thinking positively can also become a habit.
My best habit? Drinking coffee before recording. Very important habit.
I knew you would say that. Say, good habits help me grow. Slowly.
Again, with confidence.
Now let's talk about discipline. Discipline is very important for improvement. It means continuing, even when you don't feel motivated.
Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays.
Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel lazy. That is normal. But discipline says, keep going.
Even small effort matters. 10 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Say, I keep going. Again.
Strong mindset.
Sometimes discipline feels difficult, especially in the morning.
Morning discipline is dangerous. My bed says, stay here, Adam.
Your bed sounds very convincing. The way you speak to yourself matters. Negative self-talk creates fear. Positive self-talk builds confidence.
Your mind listens to your words, so speak kindly to yourself.
Don't say, I am terrible. I can't do this. Instead say, I am learning. Say, I am improving every day. Again.
Very good. Your brain needs those words.
Let's talk about failure. Many people fear failure, but failure teaches important lessons.
Nobody improves without mistakes. Mistakes are teachers.
If you fail once, try again. If you fail twice, try again. Keep learning.
Every successful person failed many times. They just continued.
Say, mistakes help me grow. Again.
Very powerful sentence.
Self-improvement never truly ends. There is always something new to learn. New skills, new ideas, new experiences.
Learning keeps life interesting. Curious people keep growing.
Read books, listen to podcasts, practice speaking, ask questions, stay curious.
Curious minds are active minds.
Say, I love learning.
Again, slowly.
One dangerous habit is comparison. Comparing yourself to others too much can hurt your confidence.
Especially online. Everyone looks perfect online.
But remember, you are seeing their highlights, not their struggles.
Everyone has difficult days. Everyone feels insecure sometimes.
Focus on your own journey. Compare yourself to yesterday's version of you. Say, I focus on my progress.
Good. Healthy mindset.
Confidence grows through action, not through waiting, not through thinking only.
Action creates experience. Experience creates confidence.
Want better English? Speak more. Want more confidence? Practice more.
Confidence is built, not gifted.
Say, action builds confidence. Again,
Strong sentence.
take a slow breath with us. In, out.
Relax your shoulders.
Self-improvement is not a race. You do not need to hurry. Slow growth is still growth.
Calm progress is strong progress.
Let's practice a short dialogue. Listen and repeat. I want to improve myself.
That's a great goal.
I practice every day.
Keep going. You can do it.
Improvement begins with one choice, one habit, one step forward.
And 1 cup of coffee.
Of course, but truly, you are stronger than you think. You can improve. You can grow. You can change your future.
Step by step. Calmly. Consistently.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep believing in yourself. Keep practicing your English.
And keep improving every day.
We are proud of your progress.
Truly proud.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Take care. Bye.